Hi, I'm Sean Williamson, MD of Staffix Security Centres. I'd like to welcome you to our new training centre in Johannesburg. Our training centres are designed as professional training venues where installers can not only be trained academically on electric fencing, CCTV, alarm systems, access control and automation, but also have a hands-on training on latest products. We have built a venue where all products are actively working and operating, creating a real-world environment. The training we do is not only in-house, it's backed by manufacturers, and courses such as our COC in electric fencing is backed by the Department of Labour as an official government-backed course to give you the ability to sign a COC in electric fencing. Within the training venue, we have set it up that we have proper training classrooms. We also have practical training areas where installers can work on pre-set-up installation tests. And then we have a full demo area. We on-site have a fully set-up control room simulator so the installer can see it operating and get the feel and touch.